Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, your hand completely numb? Or maybe you've been walking and suddenly your foot feels like it's wrapped in cotton with pins and needles. If you're over 50, these symptoms can be frightening because you might wonder, is this the beginning of nerve damage? Or even worse, something you can't fix? Stay with me until the very end, because I'm going to share a powerful tip that could help you protect and even repair your nerves faster. This is something most people never hear about, and it could make all the difference. Numbness or tingling in your hands or feet is more than just an annoyance. For seniors, it can be a warning sign. Left untreated, it can progress to permanent nerve damage, loss of balance, or even difficulty walking. This condition is often called peripheral neuropathy, but in plain language, it means the nerves in your hands and feet aren't getting the nutrients or blood flow they need to work properly. To understand why this happens, think of your nerves like electrical wires in your house. Each wire has a protective cover, so the electricity can flow without interruption. Your body's version of that protective cover is called the myelin sheath. Over time, several things can damage this covering. High blood sugar from diabetes, poor circulation due to aging blood vessels, vitamin deficiencies, nerve inflammation from toxins, injuries, or infections. When the myelin sheath gets damaged, nerve signals slow down or misfire. That's when you feel the buzzing, tingling, or numbness. And here's the scary part. If the damage continues, nerves can die, and those sensations can turn into permanent loss of feeling. If you've noticed these symptoms, it might be one of three common scenarios. Your nerves are literally starving, missing key nutrients needed for repair. Your circulation is sluggish, so even if you eat well, nutrients can't reach your nerves efficiently. Your nerves are inflamed, swollen from damage, making them extra sensitive. The good news? If you catch it early, you can feed your nerves the exact nutrients they need, improve circulation, and calm inflammation, all with the right foods. Let's talk about the 5 most powerful nerve-healing foods you can start today. And remember, at the end, I'll tell you exactly when in your day to eat them for the fastest results. 1. Salmon or sardines, the omega-3 powerhouses. Why they work. Omega-3 fatty acids are the building blocks for nerve cell membranes. They help repair the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves. They also reduce chronic inflammation by lowering the production of inflammatory molecules called cytokines, which can slow nerve healing. These fish are packed with vitamin B12, which your nerves need to stay healthy. Think of B12 like insulation around electrical wires. It creates a protective coating around your nerves that helps them send messages properly. When you don't get enough B12, this coating gets damaged, and you may feel numbness or tingling in your hands and feet. A small serving of salmon or sardines gives you all the B12 you need for the day. These fish also contain healthy fats called omega-3s that reduce swelling around nerves and help them heal. Many doctors recommend eating fish twice a week to support nerve health. Best timing: dinner with leafy greens and olive oil for better absorption. Healthy fats help your body pull the omega-3s straight into nerve cell walls where they're needed most. 2. Pumpkin seeds, magnesium and zinc boosters. Why they work. Magnesium helps nerves send clear signals by keeping calcium levels in balance inside nerve cells. Without enough magnesium, nerve signals can misfire, causing tingling or cramps. Zinc supports enzymes that build and maintain myelin, meaning it directly protects the nerve coating from breaking down. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds provides lots of magnesium, a mineral that helps your nerves and muscles work together smoothly. Magnesium is like a traffic controller for your nervous system. It helps nerve signals travel at the right speed and strength. When you don't have enough magnesium, your nerves can become overactive, which may cause numbness, tingling, or even muscle cramps. Studies show that people with low magnesium levels often experience nerve problems, and eating magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds can help improve these symptoms. You can sprinkle them on salads or eat them as a snack. Best timing: afternoon snack with an apple or pear. The natural fruit acids help your stomach absorb minerals more efficiently. 3. Oranges or kiwis. Vitamin C for collagen and repair. Why they work. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, the structural protein that supports and cushions nerves. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting nerves from oxidative stress, damage caused by free radicals that naturally increase with age. These bright, juicy fruits are full of vitamin C and folate, two nutrients that help keep your nerves strong and healthy. Vitamin C helps build the support structure around your nerves, like scaffolding around a building under construction. It also protects nerves from damage and helps them repair themselves when injured. Folate works as a partner with vitamin B12 to maintain healthy nerves and create new nerve cells when needed. People who don't eat enough fruits and vegetables containing these vitamins may develop nerve problems over time. Eating one orange or kiwi daily can provide much of what your nerves need to function properly. Best timing: morning or mid-morning, with protein like eggs or yogurt. Vitamin C helps proteins like collagen form correctly, which means your nerve scaffolding stays strong. Let's take a quick break here. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you. It means a lot to me. If this topic is in your interest, there's a good chance you'll enjoy other videos on my channel, Cure Cloud. So, hit that subscribe button. Not only will you be helping yourself, but you'll also be helping other seniors find information that could change their lives. And you'll be encouraging me to keep making and sharing more tips that might help even more people like you. So, let's continue. 4. Spinach or kale. The B vitamin shield. Why they work. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, folate, and B12, help nerves create and send electrical signals efficiently. B12 in particular helps regenerate myelin and prevents nerve cell death. Low B12 is one of the leading causes of nerve problems in seniors. These dark green vegetables are like a multivitamin for your nerves, containing several important nutrients in one food. They provide folate, magnesium, and natural compounds that protect nerves from damage. The folate in these greens works together with vitamin B12 to keep nerves healthy, while the magnesium helps nerve signals travel properly. These vegetables also contain natural antioxidants that act like bodyguards, protecting your nerves from harm caused by inflammation. Research shows that people who eat more dark leafy greens have better nerve function and less numbness as they age. Try adding them to soups, smoothies, or eating them in salads. Best timing: lunch paired with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. The combination ensures the B vitamins are absorbed and stored for slow release throughout the day. 5. Walnuts, antioxidants and nerve protectors. Why they work. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3, and polyphenols, plant antioxidants that reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage to nerve cells. They also support healthy blood vessels, which means better circulation to your extremities, crucial for nerve health. Walnuts contain special healthy fats that your brain and nerves need to work properly. These fats help build strong nerve coverings and reduce inflammation that can damage nerves. Think of these fats as both building materials and medicine for your nervous system. Walnuts also provide vitamin E, which protects nerve cells from damage, similar to how sunscreen protects your skin. Studies show that people who eat walnuts regularly have better nerve function and experience less numbness and tingling. Just a small handful, about 7 whole walnuts, several times a week can make a difference. You can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or eat them as a healthy snack. Best timing, small evening snack. The slow-digesting fats in walnuts can provide steady nutrients during the night when nerve repair is at its peak. Nerves can be repaired, but only if you give them the raw materials to do so. By eating these foods daily, you're not just stopping damage, you're helping your nerves rebuild. Before I share the special nutrient timing secret, click subscribe and turn on notifications. Next time, we'll talk about the 5 everyday foods that silently damage your nerves. Here's the secret. Your body does the bulk of its nerve repair work at night while you sleep. That's when it rebuilds myelin and clears out damaged nerve tissue. To make this process effective, load your dinner with omega-3s, B vitamins, and magnesium. Then keep your blood sugar stable so the repair crew can work undisturbed. Do this every day, and over time, you'll be giving your nerves the best chance to heal before it's too late. If you want to keep your hands steady, your steps confident, and your independence intact, start now. Your nerves are counting on you. Hit subscribe so you never miss another life-saving tip. Thank you, and see you in the next video.